Welcome back guys, myself Piyush Goyal, Company Secretary from Jaipur. Or in this video we are going to discuss about TDS on the sale of property. It means if you are selling the property, how much TDS is charged, how much of amount is charged of TDS, and what is the value of the property when TDS is charged, right, or deducted. तो आज के वीडियो में जानने वाले हैं कि अगर आपने प्रॉपर्टी सेल की है तो TDS किस अमाउंट पर काटना है, कितने से ज़्यादा अगर प्रॉपर्टी की सेल वैल्यू होती है उस पर काटना है, कितना काटना है, कैसे डिपॉजिट होगा, और जो TDS आपका डिडक्ट हुआ है उसका रिफंड कैसे क्लेम होगा, और इसकी गवर्नमेंट को रिपोर्टिंग किस प्रकार से होगी, ये सारा हम आज के वीडियो में देखने वाले हैं। और ये वीडियो बिल्कुल प्रैक्टिकल वीडियो है। इसमें मैं आपको ये भी बताऊंगा कि फॉर्म 26 QB किस प्रकार से फिल होगा और आपको जो है रिफंड किस टाइप से लेना है ये हम देखेंगे। चलिए गाइस चलते हैं आगे। जब आप पता होगा कि आपने प्रॉपर्टी सेल करते हैं इंडिया के अंदर तो आपको TDS काटना होगा, टैक्स डिडक्टेड एट सोर्स ऑन द सेल प्रोसीड्स। जो एप्लीकेबल रेट होती है सेल ऑफ प्रॉपर्टी की वो होती है 1% ऑफ द सेल कंसिडरेशन फॉर ट्रांजेक्शन वेयर सेल वैल्यू एक्सीड 50 लाख, राइट। The buyer of property is responsible for deducting TDS and depositing it with the income tax department within specified time frame. तो TDS डिडक्टेड जो है क्लेम किया जाता है क्रेडिट अगेंस्ट द सेलर टैक्स लायबिलिटी एट द टाइम ऑफ फाइलिंग दियर इनकम टैक्स रिटर्न। अब हम देखेंगे प्रोसेस कैप फाइलिंग 26 QB फॉर TDS ऑन सेल ऑफ प्रॉपर्टी। फॉर्म 26 QB इज फॉर्म व्हिच इज यूज्ड फॉर पेमेंट ऑफ TDS ऑन सेल ऑफ प्रॉपर्टी इन इंडिया। A चालान कम स्टेटमेंट फॉर्म that needs to be submitted by the buyer of the property to the income tax department. So first of all, we have to understand what is the process for filing the 26 QB and what is the practical process and how to fill the form 26 QB. Log into the income tax website, click on the e-file and click on e-pay tax new payment and select the form 26 QB option under TDS on sale property. Fill the details of buyer and seller such as their names, address and PAN number. In third step, enter the details of property such as property type, sale consideration and date of agreement. In fourth step, calculate the TDS amount using the applicable rate 1% of sale consideration and property value of 50 lakh and enter it in the form. Select the bank through which you will make the payment and enter the payment details such as bank name, branch name and date of payment. After completing the form, click on the proceed button to generate the challan. Make the payment through the deducted bank and obtain the acknowledgement receipt. Finally, submit the form 26 QB along with the acknowledgement receipt. Right. So this is the whole process for filing the form 26 QB. I hope you will able to understand each and everything about the this provision. And in addition to that, you have to how to claim the TDS which is deducted at the time of selling of the property. So when you are filing your ITR in next financial year, right, so you can claim the TDS amount which is deducted at the time of sale of the property. So this is the whole provision for applicability of the TDS on sale of the property. The section 194 IA talks about for deducting of TDS on the sale of the property. And I hope this video is very helpful for you. If you have any single doubt related to this, so you can also contact on the number here on the screen. And in addition to that, if you have any query related to the income tax, GST, trademark, corporate compliance, you may also contact on the number given on the screen. Thank you very much for watching this video.